Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set custom ringtone on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you want to set custom ringtone on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to look for GarageBand app in your iPhone. If you can't find this app, you can easily install it from your app store. So once you have installed, just tap on it to open the app. So once the app has been opened, you just have to select audio recorder. You'll get different options. So you just have to select audio recorder, tap on it. Now on this page, just tap on this menu option and it will be set in this angle. Now just disable this triangle to stop recording. So after doing that, you just have to tap on this loop option here. Now from here, you just have to select Files app, or you can select Apple Loops to get any file from your Apple Loop. I'm gonna select Files app here. Now you just have to tap on this Browse items from the Files app. So just select this option here. It will open in your files. You just have to select this browse, and then you have to select the folder or the file from where you want to get or import your music. Let's say I want to select on my iPhone here, and I'm selecting, for example, any music here. This is this one. I'm going to select this one here. So once I have selected, it will be added into this list. So once the song has been added, just keep a long press on it and move it to the timeline here at the starting of the timeline. So now just tap on the music here and just scroll it or trim it to your preferred music. So once you have done, you just have to scroll it to the very first or very starting. So after that, you can tap on this play option to get a preview of your ringtone. So once you have done, so here you just have to tap on this download arrow option to download it, then select my songs, then tap on this OK option. So it will be served into your my songs here. So you just have to keep a long press on it. Then very first select rename and try to rename it with a second rename. Let's say I'm gonna select my own ringtone. So you can rename it in which way you want to, but I'm gonna select this one here. Once I rename, just have it done. Now just keep a long press on it again. Select the share option here and just select ringtone to create a custom ringtone for your iPhone. Now you can rename it here if you want to, but I'm gonna select export option here. So it will be exported. Now you can directly set it as your own sound or just, but I'm gonna select OK option here. Now go back and you just have to go to your settings app. Now in settings, just scroll down and look for sounds and haptics. Select that and here select ringtone, and you just have to select the ringtone which you have just added to your iPhone. Just scroll down and you'll get it on top sometimes. So you just have to select the ringtone which you want to set. So I have just created this one, so I'm gonna set it. Just tap on it and it will be set it. So in this way, you can easily set custom ringtone on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.